I swear to God. Is this... Why is it not autocomplete under GMA? That doesn't make any sense. Wish list the expands. A Telltale series today. No thank you. Right. Let's open up Game Maker Studio now. Any game with a shader just loves to crash my PC when I get out of full screen. See what I can do about this in the control panel later. So it's something to do with shaders. In Game Maker. Every other game runs fine. But for Undertale fan games made in Game Maker, that's just not going to happen. Right, Deltarune engine. It's been a while since I've touched this, so I don't know what stage I'm at. If I remember correctly, last time I left off with trying to sort out the animations. But that doesn't really work. Right, let's put on some background music. Why isn't it playing it? Oh, because I had the tab muted, that's why. Right, so if we size this up. Yeah, the placeholder enemy is literally McDonald's fries. I do have an enemies folder, but I'm not going to show you what it is. Because that would spoil everything that I'm doing for the fan game I'm making. I mean, there's some of it. But that's what you're getting, unfortunately. Right, so what stage am I at now? Let's take a look at the game. Not sure about the Chrome thing. It's probably just under the platform thing in the license folder. So yeah, whenever you set... Yeah, so normally this isn't supposed to happen. So I've got to set a menu that goes after different enemies. Only defend progresses through it. So defend, yeah. So I've got to sort out animations for that, but that can come later. What about magic here? S action. That needs to be a lighter pink, I think. Ultima heal. I'll actually probably do something with that in the fan game. Probably not make it as tedious as everyone seems to believe. Red Buster. Yeah, this is just default stuff for now. Right, and then crash. Variable set failed visible. So battle menu line 56 in draw. Yeah, flavor text visible, so let's take a check. So So if there is such a thing, then we'll get rid of it. What the heck? Oh. Yeah, I think it's supposed to, like when you go to the next menu, it just goes straight to fight. It doesn't carry over to defend. Which means I'll have to set up arrays to remember each party member's action. Crash again! Why is it crashing? Not done anything to anger it. What's... Okay. Flavor text. Yeah, there's only 7 references to it. Yeah, I'm checking if it's... if it actually exists. Why is it crashing? Is it setting it to something else in here? No, because it's meant to draw the bullet board. It's not meant to... Okay, let's go to menus then. Okay, so it has to destroy the text element. But after checking, it should always return false. Yeah, it's crashing again. Line 70. Ah, okay, it's in here. So something went wrong there. Right, now let's see if it works. There we go. That's not too bad. Now I need the transition from... Oh, I remember now. Oh, I don't have restart key involved in this. Oh, sorry to hear that, Gigino. Hope you can work on your fan game soon. Right, so the soul doesn't just appear out of thin air in Deltarune. It has to come out of Chris's body. I mean, that shouldn't be too hard to do, because it's position-based. Wow, Chris has really long hair. Right, so where exactly on Chris does it come out? So, if this is 40, then let's go into here. So yeah, minus 20. Times image Y scale, so that's 40. So we have to create the bullet board as well as the soul. So we don't do this in here. We don't do that in here. So if it's over this, yeah. So else. If no instance exists of the soul, then we create it. Of course, I have to set this as no one when this starts, so no one. So from 0 to 1, like this. Image angle. So advances by 30% every time because of the lerp linear interpolation thing. Oh no, I'm making a fan game as well. I'm just gonna make the engine first. So if the soul does exist, wait, actually, since it's since there's a check before it, we can skip that part. So, still a risk though. In general, you should never do this. Soul X 320 by, where is this spawned? $170. So the y-axis is 170. Soul Y. And does it have a little animation when it pops out of... Hang on. Let me take a look at gameplay. Silence it. Yeah, it has an animation when it pops out of Chris's body. Has like a little outline that glows off of it. Yeah, that won't be too hard to add actually. So just go in here. Oh, whoops, whoops, no, don't start it yet. No! Don't do that. Right, now let's see if it works the way it's intended. No. No, it does not. Nah, the soul doesn't spin. Right, so with with the party member, so if the ID of the member name, yeah, this one here, mem ID, so we already know it's going to be 0. Where am I going? Oh. So if ID is 0, which of course it will be true in those cases, there's arrays of party members, isn't there? There is. Draw party member. I forget what I'm supposed to do now. So I'm supposed to get the object X of the party member. So when it's created, where does that happen? Draw party menu, that's not it. Ah, here it is, party member. Member equals party member. Yeah, so we'll go after the first one. Walking all over the place now, trying to find my code. Minus 20 times image. Not X scale, well, I guess that can work as well, but if you're having an ultra-wide spam turn fighting someone, well... Okay. So right, let's see if this works now. Crash. So it's unable to find the instance of the soul. Guess after that we just check it here. Hope this doesn't create 3 souls. That would not be nice. Oh. That's not what was supposed to happen. Why is it outside the box? It didn't even move. Okay. Right. So let's use a with function instead. What was that? So what sound? Yeah, it's not even moving. It's gone outside the box. Okay, let's do it this way. So it creates the soul, and then okay, oh my god. Okay, I know the issue now. Just look at this. Why does this happen? Okay, well, great. Great. Right, well, we can keep this because that'll work. That'll work. But now it should not create any. Yeah, there we go. Though it's a bit too fast. So let's turn down the percentage. Yeah, that's better, but there's still room for improvement. That doesn't really work too well. Let's go up in small chunks. Let's try 13%. Nope. 16. Almost. 18? 18%? Whoops. That's not exactly central. Okay, let's stick with 20%. No. Okay, I think because it's going to work possibly in Overworld as well, we're just going to do this. Welcome back, GG now. Yeah, so I think that's okay. I think that's okay. Yeah. Now we need the transition for when it goes back to the menu. So let's create a new internal variable for the bullet board called die. So if die is set to false, then this happens, and if not, well, it's gotta go back in. Okay. So, yeah. We can embed this in here. Why do I smell onions and spinach? Something's going on. Now the animation stuff can be like last minute change stuff. That's fine for now. So JSoul X is we lerp that X 0.2, and the Y, of course, we just do this, and whoa, what's happened here? Y minus 20, 0.2. Why did that? Oh. So now I need to add a key, so... You know what, I'll let Google decide for me. So Google, pick a random number between 1 and 26. 23, so I'll use the letter W for this. And that will kill the bullet board. Lerp is linear interpolation. So what it does is it values between a start and an end point by a given percentage. So if you started at 0 and wanted to work your way to 100, if you change it by 10%, it will be 10. But then the next time you do that, it will be like 17. So it's a very smooth progression. So if the angle is under this, then we kill the bullet board and we destroy the soul to go back to the menu. But now, how do I make sure that the status text actually appears? Ah yes, initialize party menus, because we can do that. Was there anything like... Hang on. A white soul was following you around? That's all to do with positioning. Yeah, you'd have like, I think probably the cursor in Deltarune does it in a very different way. I'll have a look to confirm. Steam apps, common, Deltarune demo, data win. Of course, it has to read through all the code and all the textures and all the audio of the game. No, can I not click on the background, please? Right, cursor follow, so it probably uses some sort of array. Yeah, it does. So it keeps track of the position of the heart. So like when it yeah, so it just rolls through, and when it reaches the end, it just goes back to the beginning. Yeah, it's a bit complicated. but it can be done. Right, so as soon as this thing dies, initialize party menus. I'm sure there's no arguments to this. There are no arguments. Cool. Rickroll, click on a certain point. No. Right, so this works fine. Now if I press W, crash, and the soul doesn't even move. So what's the crash? Line 3, status. Oh, I'm doing it in the wrong thing. Meh. Meh. So event user 0. And we'll add that in here. User event 0. Boom. I mean, sure, it's funny, but rickrolling is a thing of the past. Right, so now it shouldn't crash. It doesn't show up. Okay, well, at least... Wait, why isn't the soul moving? Oh, because I haven't... Okay, it's an inverse check. It checks if it doesn't exist. April Fool's Day. Man, can't wait. Okay, yeah, so now the soul goes back in Chris's body. Now to figure out why the menu stuff isn't working. Does it have something to do with the CPM variable? Nope, it's PMS. Wait, is it PMS or is it MMS? I don't know. But here, we'll just set it to 0 when it's initialized. I'm not surprised, people rickroll each other on April 1st. Right, now we kill it, and still no menu. Why is it doing this? I don't know. Maybe MMS? Let's go MMS. No, that did nothing. What's going on here? Well, I'm forgetting how my own thing is assembled. Maybe set global menu to 0? I should have checked over before I started this. No, it still doesn't do that. Why are you not doing that? Okay. PMS, current wave. Okay, so current wave is not working. So current wave is player, or is it players? It's player, okay. It's just the one. It's in, I think it's in here? Nope, it's in preferences. Yeah, font editor. Wait, where is it? Text editors. It should be somewhere in here. Yeah, code editor, so it's under colors and default. Right. Okay, good, that works. Alright, nah, it's under preferences. Object editor. No. Shit. Text editors, then code editor. That's where it is. Come on, get off the screen! Thank you. Shaking my head about like a cat, trying to shake off rain from its last outing. Okay, so now if if pressing X there doesn't do anything. So if I just, so I can do this an infinite amount of times. Okay, yeah, so it will never be a case where you can generate 2 souls at once. So that's good. I think the soul could use a little bit more improvement though. So let's go 23% instead. On the way back it's fine because it's discarded. Yep, so now it's in the center, and when I kill it... Yep. It went in Chris's mouth. Why am I laughing? Yeah, nom. Wow, forget ripping it out. Chris rips out... No, eats their soul. Remember kids, don't jump into a closet or you'll be eating your own heart. Alright, let's change that to 15. I'll fix them later. Because right now, I have to do all the sparing and stuff. So fixing animations will be like last thing. Right, I think what I'll work on next is mercy. But in order to do fight, act, or mercy, I need a monster menu. Which should happen as soon as one of them is highlighted. So as soon as one of them is highlighted, it should say the monster menu. Yeah. So I was just rubbing my shoulder. Something itchy. Right, so case 1. So as soon as that option is selected, So we draw party menu. Press Z. Yep. Defend. Then go to menu 1. Yep. So first it's okay. Yep, so now you can't crash again. Why is it crashing? Why is it crashing? Oh, because I haven't set it. I haven't defined it before I used it. That's a common mistake a lot of people make. They don't initialize the objects before they use them. So under monster menu, that's with all the names in the health bars. That shouldn't be too difficult to do actually, so it just gets the name and then gets the HP and just does some maths with a health bar. I mean, I could be fancy and make my own custom health bar, but I think that's more for cosmetic purposes. Here I'm trying to stick as much to the original as possible, whilst keeping things relatively easy so it's not like a complete reconstruction. So okay, so this is the that's act menus. So we'll go act and magic menus. Then we're going to do fight menu, item menu. Well, actually, no, we just need like a monster menu. Fighting doesn't really matter now. Because it never does in Deltarune. Your choices don't matter. Yeah, so that gets the that gets the... Why am I like... Okay. So I need to define a new menu. So monster menu. Monster menu I is no one. And then after that we just do a an item menu. How many items can you store in Deltarune? What's the maximum amount of items you can hold? Deltarune, how many items can you hold? You know, I think this will be more demonstrated by actual gameplay rather than looking it up. Actually, no. I know just the thing that can answer this question for me. Deltarune Fun Mode Chaos Edition. Well, if I take that off of Teardown, because I'm not running that right now. Ow, why is that so big? You can have up to 12. I'm sure it works the same in Chapter 2 as well, on the overworld. And everyone has access to the same item pool as they normally do. So yeah, we have, okay, monster menu. Wait, why is this here? Right, we don't need 3 monster menus. We only need 1. And why have I made the same mistake again? Do I actually bother to read anything nowadays? So these are the spells. So yeah, we'll get rid of that. Item menu only referenced once. Well, good, because I have no use for it right now. So monster menu. So for every enemy that there is, a new addition to the monster menu has to be initialized. So I guess I could go in order. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Ooh. Right. We need to make a new text element. So monster menu. We'll have no sound, of course, because that's how it works. 17? 17? Was it 17? 17. So for every monster there is on the battlefield, array length, enemy, it just says enemy. I haven't made any arrays to keep track of monsters. But that will come later down the line. Or, nah, if I leave it till the last minute, then that's probably not going to work out for me. So, yeah, let's do that first. Let's make sure that the array doesn't already exist, which it doesn't. There we go. Right, so for every monster in the array, which will be a maximum of 3, text to draw plus global monster I name plus whatever I have to make a new line. Wait, I can just look back on the status. Why am I looking in there? Yeah, it's an and symbol. And it crashed. Again. Okay, so does it initialize them before it's even called? It does. Well, blow me down. Okay, now it works. I'm using the Determination mono font. Okay, well, at least I know it writes. But it needs to happen instantly, though, otherwise... What the hell? If instance exists... Text length 0. No, that won't work. So it needs to be instantly written. Ah, insta-writing. Insta-writing's true. So now let's see. Yes! Okay. So now it works on all of those. And if we were to... Yeah, so it goes to this. Now for the fun part! Health bars! Yay! Wait, hang on. Do the monsters have a little star next to them like they do in the original Undertale? They probably don't, but I'm gonna check anyway. Hey, Omniversal. Do they have a star next to them? No, they don't. So now, when the menu is visible, we draw all the health bars. That shouldn't be too hard as long as the menu monster all the menu things exist. So where's it drawing the... How wide did the help? Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how big they are. So what's the... Okay, the line spacing is 28. Hey, Chris Games. Or Chris the developer, sorry. Not Chris Games. My apologies. Right, where is that text being drawn? It's being drawn at 377. So 380 plus 28 times I. Then the end of the health bar should be about 580. Actually, no, let's go closer to the edge of the screen, 600. So 377 plus 28, that's 405. Take away 3, 402. Yup. Is my HP? Yeah, my HP is in there. Divided by my max HP. Multiply by 100. A maroon color. C green. Direction 0. Show back true. Show border false. I forgot to add the thing. Okay. Right situation, I think, but the health bars are honestly too fat. Let's fix that. So move it about 40 pixels to the right from the left. Subtract 5 from each of the whips, so that becomes 397. That becomes 385. Set this to 580, and let's go back to game. Too skinny. Undo the subtraction. Still too fat. Let's change that by 2. Change that by 2. Much better. So now we have health bars, yay! Now for the transition between menus. So for fight, I think we can ignore that one for now, because that requires a little bit more work. Act. Wait, that's the wrong colour of the health bars, isn't it? They're meant to be like a limeish colour, not green. Well, in a way, lime is technically light green. Ooh. I think that's okay. Ish. Oh, I remember now. Okay, there's another thing I have to do here. When you have a enemy selected on this menu, it flashes to show which one you're targeting. And I have no idea how Toby does that. You know what that means? Time to look in the code again. Where's Pretzel Lover 3001? Took a hike. Must be in a parent somewhere. It's always in scripts, isn't it? It's always in bloody scripts. Okay, so apparently there's encrypt and decrypt things in this game. Trying to impress some people, eh? It must be under a draw thing. It's in draw. Draw text shadow? No. Wait, is it in the monster itself? Monster parent, that's... Ooh, hold on, draw. Check in here. D3D? Set fog? Huh? Oh, I see what this is doing. Okay, so the set fog function sets it so that the target can be white. Completely white. So yeah, I think that's that must be something that I can do for this. So, where's it say draw self in this? Or does it not do that? There must be something in the original Deltarune that... excuse me for a moment, just trying to figure out where the bloody hell all this code is. Get off of my screen, you stupid little thing. Right, Red and Ranger. Draw idle generic. Draw monster body part. Draw sprite ext flash. Okay, so it does work the same way then. Well, sort of, I guess. Wait, why isn't that working? Oh, GPU set fog. Okay, so it's like this. Wait, I should have just copy paste it underneath. That way you can just copy everything. So set that to true. This, and this. This is something completely new that I'm trying as well, which might be a bad thing. Draw monster body. You know what, let's check if this sets it to white first. Okay, so it does set it to white then. But now I have to figure out how to make it flash white. That's never fun, but hey, it's something we have to do. So monster menu, the length of the monster menu should be dependent on the amount of monsters on the field. Excuse me, I am extraordinarily tired. Do the enemies have an ID assigned to them? Yes, they do. So otherwise, then just draw self, then. I don't need the entire thing. Would 2 draw selves cause any problems? What if I set this to like 0.2? That doesn't work. So I'll have to try it the funny way. right, and we need an absolute siner variable to work the magic for us. Siner plus 0.04, and let's see if that works. Yay! Flashing white! Woohoo! A bit slow though, so I'll turn that up. Wait, we don't need... Get rid of that.
Oh, get rid of it.
So otherwise, set Siner to 0, because then we need to make sure that we know what monster we're targeting. Global... is it AMS? Or is it PMS? Oh, that smells. Party HP bar, party menu. AMS. So it's AMS.
No, stop it.
So now I can't even go down. Draw party menu. Current wave is player, then yep, so that should work then. Except it doesn't, because the menu length is not set. That's the problem. Plus 1. And then we set it back whenever. Nice, okay. Ooh. Yeah, I think I need to change the line spacing on this one, which means we might have to bring the fat bars back. Let's go to monster menu again. Line spacing 32. I mean, that's better-ish, I guess. But hey, now at least I know which one I'm going after. Yeah, so now it resets whenever a new monster's targeted. I don't think the original Deltarune does this, but it's a little something to have. Gives you an idea. So now act. Yeah, and then we go to the menu. Ooh, okay. I already know what I can do next. If I can fucking find it. Global monster menu is 1. Then switch the current MMS. So if it's 1, no, if it's okay, if it's 0, then we just do nothing. If it's 1, then set menu to 2, and then break. Case 2. Wait, that's item. So item. Yep, that's a good one. So if I go, oh, crash. Oh, what is it this time? Party menu, visible, true. Wait, why did it go to 2? I thought it was 2, but no, it's 3. Okay, set that to 3 then. Why is it going straight to the act menu? That's not what's meant to happen. Ah, okay.
Use a switch statement for 5's sake.
I'm doing it that way now. Case 1. Oh wait, no, we don't need these. Not here. Not here, not now. No sirree boy. I'm nesting switch statements inside switch statements. That's going to be a bit tough to work around. Okay, act, yep. Alright, cool. So that works. Why does it go all the way there? That's not what's supposed to happen, you know.
That's not what's supposed to happen.
8:18. 8:18 p.m. I forgot to set my alarm clock forward. That's fine, I never use it. Alarm clock neglect. Right, so mercy. Yep, so the mercy should. Yep, so then it. Okay. Yep. Oh, I need to set the AMS back. So Pretzel Lover 3000. Pretzel Lover 3000. Very legendary indeed. So now we spare, defend. Kill that, and then, yeah, so it goes back to the start. Whew! Excellent progress still, but still got a long way to go. A very, very long way. But at least most of this is done. Yep, I'm getting a bit tired. This really takes a lot to recreate something, but the result will be very well worth it in the end. Yeah, so then I think next time I'll work on the fight and item menus before moving on to attack patterns, which should be relatively easy when compared to Undertale because all of the bars are like position based, Yeah, that's exactly how like Delta Traveler does it as well, with the cracked bat. I think that's what it's called. The one that one bar goes faster than the others. So then I need to. Ooh, that'll be a bit tricky. But yeah, I'll come back to that next time, which will probably be tomorrow. But for now, I think I'm gonna take it off. I'm almost at 250 subs. I just realised that now. I never really kept track of it while I was on break. Yeah, thanks for joining. Making great progress still. But it will have to be continued tomorrow. To be continued. Oh, wait, hang on. Where's the Oh, I don't have it. Crap. Oh well. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Right now, I'm probably just going to go binge watch some YouTube or something. Or maybe do something else. But not this. Thanks again, and take care.